land trusts are a scam. Okay, just FYI. Talked to somebody today who called and wanted to make a land trust. I talked to him for a little bit about why he wanted to make a land trust, what he was trying to do. He wanted some asset protection, he wanted some privacy, and I just had to break the news to him. I say, look, these land trusts are a scam. Okay, will it make it harder for someone to find your property if they're looking for it? Yes, it can. But there are other things that you can do that work just as well. And if you want liability protection, a land trust is not the way to go. In fact, you have very little liability protection, basically no liability protection with a land trust. If you want liability protection, you need to put your property into an LLC, okay? The other thing that I'm curious about is, are you worried about someone actually suing you? If you are, why? If it has to do with your lifestyle, I totally get that. Well, you don't need a land trust. You don't need an LLC. You need something else, okay? You need what Charlie Sheen has. But land trusts are not going to get it for you. There's a reason you never hear attorneys talk about land trusts. Why attorneys never create land trusts, why it's always somebody trying to sell you a program, is because they don't work. All right, sorry to break the news, but talk to an attorney, figure out what to do the right way, do it the right way, protect yourself. That's it. See ya.